Hello everyone, Varun here. This is episode 2 of the series in which I am going to disclose future space missions of various space agencies around the world. In this episode, we are featuring NASA or National Aeronautics and Space Administration, which is independent agency of Federal Government of America. NASA is space pioneers along with Roscosmos. They are the first agency to land a man on Moon in 1969. They are the creators of Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, which is farthest artificial man-made object in space. They also launched Cassini-Huygens, which retrieved vital information about Saturn rings and Jupiter. So you get my point. NASA is leader when it comes to space exploration. So in this episode, we are going to explore and find out what are the future NASA space missions. So without further ado, let's get started. After its Perseverance Mars Exploration Rover mission, NASA have planned to launch James Webb Telescope by 2021. It will replace Hubble Telescope as its flagship telescope for investigations across astronomy and cosmology. The primary goals of James Webb Space Telescope are to find light from the first star and galaxy formed after the Big Bang, to study formation and evolution of galaxies, to study the formation of stars and planetary system, and to study the origin of life. The telescope contains 6.5 meter mirror, which is considerably larger than the Hubble telescope's 2.5 meter mirror. The telescope will be launched using Ariane 5 launch vehicle. NASA have planned Lucy spacecraft in year 2021 to know more about Trojans and asteroid around Jupiter. All the encounters by the spacecraft will be flyby. The spacecraft is going to launch using Atlas V from Cape Canaveral. The duration of mission would be 12 years and it will fly by most of the asteroid and understand its surface and composition. NASA have planned a mission to study M-type asteroid called 16 Psyche. The spacecraft Psyche will be launched in year 2022 using Falcon Heavy rocket. The mission has 7 years duration and is going to use solar electric propulsion system. The main goal of the mission is to check the composition, magnetic field and the surface of asteroid 16 Psyche. NASA have planned crew lunar flyby mission known as Artemis 2 in year 2023. The mission will be conducted using SLS rocket with spacecraft named as Orion. It will be launched from Cape Kennedy Space Center and will land in Pacific Ocean after the span of 10 days. The crew module contains 4 astronauts at a time. Before Artemis 2, Artemis 1 will be launched as a test flight which will not contain any crew members. The interplanetary mission is scheduled to launch in 2024 with the objectives of flybys around Jupiter moon Europa and Jupiter. Europa is one of the biggest moons of Jupiter and the mission is going to study whether the moon have subsurface ocean underneath its icy crust. The Europa Clipper is going to launch using SLS rocket and is scheduled to enter in Jupiter orbit in year 2030. For more such content, please subscribe and ring the bell icon so you would get notified each time a new video is up. And thanks for watching. Stay curious, my friends.